Hello, friends. We welcome you to our YouTube channel, Learn to Gain. It's time to test your general knowledge. We have identified some most important questions asked in exams. So let's start. First question is: which language was used in the literature of the Sangam period? And answer is Tamil. Next question is: Lord Buddha was born in, and the answer is Lumbini. He was born in Lumbini. Next is: Buddhist historian Taranath belonged to? Answer is Tibet. Next question is: which newspaper was started by Annie Besant? Answer is New India. Friends, Annie Besant is also the first female president of Indian National Congress. Next question is: who was the real founder of Aligarh Muslim University? And the answer is Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Next question is: who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? And the answer is Tayyabji. Next one is: who was the first Indian to crack the British Indian Civil Service examination? And the answer is Satyendranath Tagore. Next question is: who was the viceroy when the Jallianwala massacre took place? And the answer is Chelmsford. Next question of the test is: Champaran and Kheda satyagrahas were led by? And the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. 10th question of our test is: who was the author of the book Outline of History? And the author is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is: name of the person who headed the interim government of 1946. And the person was Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is: who called Muazzam as Shah-e Bekhabar? Answer is Kafi Khan. Next question is: what was the main purpose of Brahmo Samaj? Answer is to purify Hinduism and to preach monotheism. Next question is: what was the contribution of Raja Ram Mohan Roy? And the answer is abolition of sati. 15th question of our test is: which committee and act are associated with the Sedition Act? And the answer is Rowlatt Committee. 16th question is: which leader had given the term insensate waste on the burning of foreign clothes during the non-cooperation movement? And the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Next question is: what is the another name of Sahyadris? Answer is the Western Ghats. Friends, Sahyadris is the mountain range in the Western Ghats. Next question is: which is the oldest mountain range of India? And the answer is Aravali Mountains. What is the landmass which is surrounded by water from three sides known as? And the answer is peninsula. 20th question of the test is, what does archipelago means? And answer is a group of islands. Next question is, what is the name of the pass between Kailash and Mansarovar? And the name of the pass is Mana Pass. Next question is, what is the imaginary line that divides India into two almost parts? And the answer is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two parts. Next question is, which place receives the highest rainfall in the world? And the answer is Moiseram. It is a town in the Meghalaya state. Next question is, what is the local name given to the summer winds in the northern plains? And the answer is Lu. Next one is, where does the Narmada river originates from? And the answer is Amarkantak. 26th question of our test is, which is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats? The highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is Mahendragiri. Next question is, which place never gets the vertical rays of the sun? Answer is Srinagar. Next question is, where is India's permanent research station, Dakshin Gangotri, located? Answer, friends, it is in Antarctica. Next one is, which cities are called the twin cities? And the twin cities are Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. Next one is, which state is known as the sugar bowl of India? Answer is Uttar Pradesh, as Uttar Pradesh produces maximum sugar in the country. Next one is, which is the highest dam in India? And the answer is Tehri Dam. Next one is, which is the oldest dam in India? Answer is Kallanai Dam. Next one is, which is the longest dam in India? And the answer is Hirakud Dam. It is a very basic question. Next one is, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer is none other than Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And the last question of our test is, what is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh? And the answer is Kuchipudi. Next one is, which Indian State Assembly played India's national anthem after 60 years? Answer is Nagaland. Gidda is the folk dance of, it is the folk dance of Punjab. Brain of computer is CPU. that is the Central Processing Unit. Next question is, Martyrs' Day is celebrated every year on, and the date is 30th Jan. And the last question is, Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for? Friends, this park is famous for lions. Thank you so much, friends. Hope you like and enjoy the video. And do let us know the topic on which you want us to make new videos. And for more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn to Gain.